Hi! In front of me is CROSSCALL Core M5, and today I would like to show you how you can operate split screen view. First of all, you need to open two apps that you wish to use in this view in the background. In order to do that, tap on the first one, hit home button, tap on the second one and select the square button. Now tap on the icon of an app that you wish to use on the top half of your screen. Now select split screen and click on the second app. As you can see, now I can use both at the same time. If you want to go back from this mode, drag one of your apps all the way up or all the way down and tap on home button. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!